good morning, guys. How are you doing, guys? Good morning, wherever you're watching me from. Depending your country, your time zone. Thank you so much for watching, for clicking on my channel, for liking, sharing, subscribing. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for my returning subscribers, my community, people who talks to me, who like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. I love you, guys. So as you can see there, this kitchen needs a thoroughly cleaning. Yeah, the kitchen here needs a thoroughly cleaning, guys. It is so dirty. It is so dirty. So we are going to wash the utensils. Yeah, we are going to wash the utensils. I think this vlog will be all about cleaning and washing. Cleaning vlog or washing vlog. As you can see, everything is everywhere is everything. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please continue sharing and watching my videos, and consider subscribing, guys. Please consider subscribing. And we have membership, we have super chats there, guys. Please join if you can, please. So there, refilling my soap, and I normally, this soap is too thick, very thick, and I normally put a half of it and then I fill it with water because it is very thick. And to my teenagers who I have inside the house, they kind of misuse it. So when you do this, at least it will stay for longer. But I normally do this because the soap, it is too thick.
Walking down the street, feeling raindrops fall, drenched in memories, they're calling me to recall. Every drop a reminder of the love that's washed away, but I won't let it drown me. I'll dance through the pain. Hey, rain pour on me, let the thunder shake my soul. Ooh, yeah, I'll find beauty in the chaos, let the storm take control. Yeah, I'll chase away the shadows, let the lightning guide my way. In the rain I'll find my healing, I'll make it through the gray. Hey, hey. Raindrops on my window, they're like tears on display, reflecting all the feelings that I couldn't say. I'm standing tall, yeah, facing the storm, an open heart. Hey, letting go of the past, embracing a brand new start. Yeah.
How much room is left inside my heart? Dreams and hopes I chase, then part. I'm not searching for new love, they come wrapped in a lie. My soul cries out, torn and bruised. With every love, there comes a cost. Oh, mind, defend yourself. I'm not looking anymore. When they come like quiet shadows, with promises that fade like smoke, bridges leading into regret. Better alone than falsely broke. My soul cries out, torn and bruised. With every love, there comes a cost. Oh, mine, defend yourself. I'm not looking anymore. Love still plays beautiful moments. Yes, I've known their name. The stars are silent, but my heart knows. Fear hides quietly where no light goes. My soul cries out, torn and bruised. With every love, there comes a cost. Oh, mine, defend yourself. I'm not looking anymore. Let love keep playing all it can. Those sweet moments, I've already had them. So mine, defend yourself once more. I'm not looking anymore. Let love keep playing all it can. Those sweet moments, I've already had them. So mind, defend yourself once more. I'm not looking anymore.
I love you, you say, high five, I reply. You get so heated as though I cheated. Just remember, high five, it's a soaring phoenix into the blue, only for you. Your soul lights the way over stormy sea, a lighthouse illuminating play, a spotlight bright just for me. The power of 5 fingers raised high, only for you. My palm with the power of 5. Simple as it may be, it reaches high to the stars, so alive, to the power of 5. Love reevaluates, graduated to the stars. My palm with the power of 5. The power of 5 fingers raised high. One love never done, a passionate race we won. 2 passions so true, burns with the might of the sun, just for you. 3 trust so free, a soaring dove. It's a soaring phoenix into the blue, only for you. It reaches high to the stars, so alive, to the power of five. Love reevaluates, graduated to the stars. My palm with the power of five. The power of five fingers raised high. One love never done, a passionate race we won. Two passions so true, burns with the might of the sun, just for you. Free trust, so free, a soaring dove dancing free. Four upon nevermore, roots of a tree, a green never seen before. Five is soaring high, eagles dancing in the sky. The power of five fingers raised high. My high five to you.
I walked into the quiet trees, head burning like a neon sign. I carved a branch to chase the spark, tied a berry to a fishing line. Moths were dancing in the dark, stars blinked out like warning lights. Dropped the bait into the stream, pulled up silver in the night, laid it down on cold wet stone, turned to light the fire alone. But then I heard a voice behind, soft and strange.